Hi friends, we're on lesson 3-7. Continue to make 10 to add. I can make 10 to add numbers to 20. You'll need your orange folder, your math book, pencil, and a dry erase marker. Go ahead and grab your materials. Okay, I'm on page 191 in our math books. Let's take a look at the solve and share. How can you make 10 to solve the addition fact 8 plus 5? Show your work and explain. So we're going to pretend that there's a tens frame right here. Okay, let's show 8, our first add-in first. Okay, I'm going to make 5 circles and 3 more. 5 and 3 more makes 8. Now I need to show my second add-in, which is 5. How many more do I need on my 10 frame to make 10? If you said 2 more, great job. 1, 2. I have no more room left, so I'm going to go on the bottom here. 3, 4, and 5. So I just showed 8, my first add-in, and 5 more. Okay, I made 10 by taking 2 of the 5 and putting them with the 8. So 8 and 2 more makes 10, and my 3 left over here, 10 and 3 more is what I need to solve. Let's go ahead and count that. 10, 11, 12, 13. And I should get the same thing if I add 8 plus 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the sum does not change. It's just quicker to find the answer if you make 10 and add whatever was left over. Okay, let's turn to the next page. Okay, let's take a look at number 1. We're going to use the number line they gave us on the bottom. Make 10 to find the sum. Use the number line to help you. The problem we need to solve is 8 plus 6 equals. Okay, so let's go ahead and take that first number, find it on our number line. We need to add 6 more, so we're going to the right 6 times. Go ahead and show your work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I landed on 14, so 8 plus 6 should equal 14. But first, we need to see how many hops it's going to take to get to 10. 8, 1, 2. It took me 2 hops to get to 10, which means from 10, it's going to take me 1, 2, 3, 4 hops to get to 14, which is the sum. And those 2 hops first plus the 4 give me the 6, which is the second add-in. So if 10 plus 4 equals 14, then 8 plus 6 also equals 14. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on the next page. All right, I'm going to use the number line that we have on the bottom of our orange folder. Let's try to do the number 2. The problem we need to solve is 7 plus 8, but remember, we want to make 10 first. Let's show 7 plus 8 on the number line. Let's go to number 7 and hop over 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I landed on 15. Okay, but first we need to see how many hops over it took to get to number 10. To make 10 from 7, let's see, 1, 2, 3. It took 3 hops over. So 7 plus 3 is going to give me 10. And from 10, how many hops over is it going to take to get to the sum? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Took me 5 hops to get to 15, which is the sum. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Then 7 and 8 more hops is also 15. So this is a two-step problem. Make sure that you complete both steps. Okay, let's do number 3 together also. All right, the problem is 4 plus 9. Okay, I'm going to start with number 4 and make 9 hops over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I landed on 13, so circle that number. Remember, we need to make 10 first. So from 4, how many hops is it going to take to get to number 10? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to put a plus 6 here. It took me 6 hops to get to 10 from 4. All right, and now from 10, how many hops is it going to take to get to the sum, which was 13? 1, 2, 3. 3 hops. Okay, and the sum is 13. So they just took that second addend and broke it apart. 6 plus 3 will give you that second addend, which is 9. If 10 plus 3 equals 13, then 4 plus 9 should also equal 14. Start at 4, we made the 9 hops over, and landed on 13. Okay, you can go ahead and try to complete the rest of this page, 4 all the way to number 7. Can't wait to see your work.